Laki ako ng television, laki ako ng for airing sa soap opera. Walang-wala to sa akin. Yakang-yaka lang. Change on the set, kayang-kaya. Sa daan tayo nagpapalit.
We're off to Hermes. Tumatawid na talaga. My brain has left my body. Hermes, welcome to another day. What is the bag? Not necessarily a bag, but it's a Kelly wallet, which I added a chain to. This is such a special bag, wallet, because it was a gift from a fan. It was a gift from a friend. I remember her name was Lillian. It also fits my confidence. It also fits self-love. It also has a little bit of like healing with a candy. I got robbed last time. He got a Kelly, but I got a Kelly wallet.
And what's the biggest lesson you learned from a friendship that has ended?
I have not learned my lesson. I'm still too trusting, so I'm still working on that. Katabi ko si Nikki, nakita ko si Nikki Miss Spider. So, nafe-feel ko, may tutsang ba ako na madaming tumutubo sa akin. May gumagapang na spider sa ulo ko. Ginanong ko, wala. Bilang meron ako mga palaman dyan, syempre nabetan niya na magkaroon ng tirahan, di ba, sa loob ng palaman ko. Maming konti pagkagano ko, pak! Meron ako naramdaman na malaking bukol. Niki! Maya-maya si Nikki. Why? Oh my God!
Tapos si Iza naman.
Ako din
I'm good. Okay, next. Let's go to Georgia Bacon.
You want to be ready at all times. Remember to never conform to the patterns of this world. Kung ano lang ang feeling mo bagay sa'yo, kung ano lang komportable sa'yo, kahit yun pa ang uso, huwag niyong susuotin yun.
Good morning! It is the second day before we leave. And today we are very light. We have Lacoste. After that, après we have Acris. And then Duma, we have Zimmerman. Pag uwi ko sa Manila, I'm done. I'm gonna go back to my workout. I'm gonna do my ice skating. Hindi ako kain ng sugar. Pero ngayon, makakain muna ako ng ano.
Okay na ako. Over sugar na tayo, mga sis.
Loka sila. Pag tumangkad ako, baka masama na ugali.
Wala akong dalang medyas.
Maliit na bagay lang naman. Pero, pwede?
Sorry na. Kasalanan ko.
Patapos na?
Oo nga.
Everybody makes mistakes.
May medyas ako, papahiram ko na nga eh.
Bayad ko ng blow dryer.
Tulong-tulong tayo.
Hindi, gusto ko mainit. Last. Kasi uwi na tayo.
If you had 3 words to wrap up the season, what would they be?
First would be polar opposites, because again, they didn't just cater to minimalists. Another one would be comebacks. And number 3, it would be relevance. Relevance in a sense, not just for designers or it's for everybody in the industry. Kung anong ikagaganda mo, yun ang suotin mo. Kahit murayta lang yung nasa loob nun, hindi kailangan lahat mahal, pero yun ang swak sa katawan mo, yun ang gawin mo, because at the end of the day, whatever you wear, if it makes you feel comfortable, mas maganda ka.
That was Paris Fashion Week. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let's all take a bow.
And that is the kabuuan of one of the most hectic fashion weeks that you will ever see. So next season naman, mas relax, but we did it! And next week, ang dami pang iba. I hope to see you again in the next episode of Heart World. Mahilig ako magtapyas-tapyasing. Ako nagsusource ng sarili kong baton. Instead of buying high jewelry na gawa ng iba, kayang-kaya ko yun. Another accident piece. Wala na akong supply. Sobrang tagal ko nang gusto mag-closet sale. Feeling ko walang pupunta. But I'm so glad that ang daming pumunta. So sobrang taranta ko. Okay, hi. Baka
sabi.
I just want to say also thank you to all the brands that I've worked with. Yung mapupuntahan ng kinikita ko at kinita namin lahat. May mga natulungan din silang mga anghel na matagal ko na yung tinutulungan.